Enter Bollywood. सब मिलेगा ZoomTV.in।
शाहरुख खान ने पोर्ट्रे किया एक गीक का कैरेक्टर who led a humdrum life. His new look in रब ने बना दी जोड़ी को कितना किया गया था हाइप। सिर्फ बाल ही नहीं, सूरी जी ने किया अपनी मुस्टैच को भी ऑयल। He wore a checkered, neatly pressed shirt. तानी पार्टनर के अलावा किसी से नहीं किया फ्लर्ट। अपनी पैंट को जो पहनते हैं ऑलमोस्ट ऑन हिज चेस्ट। लेकिन सूरी जी यही तो बताइए, why is it that सभी गीक्स की जोड़ी रब वाइबेशियस लड़कियों से ही बनाता है? अनुष्का को इस फिल्म में वू करने के चक्कर में गीक SRK ने चेंज किया अपना अवतार। His nerdy reading glasses were replaced by designer glasses और stylish राज बनकर आपने पहन ही लिया dancing shoe. But eventually, Anushka fell in love with the bhola bhala nerdy SRK instead of the hot Raj. In Three Idiots, Bebo ने किया अपने usual look को shed. She wore geeky glasses जिनकी frame थी red. Yet she managed to look as sexy as red hot chili peppers. And she revamped the image of doctors. गायनाक बन के मूवी में की अपनी बहन की delivery. With her scooty, helmet and चश्मे, she came across as a lovable geek. In खट्टा मीठा, अक्षय played a common man, Sachin Tichkule. But फिर इस लल्लू में था एक endearing spark. A blue ball pen popping out of his shirt pocket. हाथ में fire. Right from his clothes, speech and his attitude, खिलाड़ी अक्षय ने change किया अपना style. But unfortunately, ये अवतार को भी इतना भाव नहीं मिला, just like his nerdy look in Jaane Man did not get noticed. लगता है कि फिल्म बफ्स को अक्की डम प्ले करते हुए पसंद नहीं आते. Seems like they prefer to see him as the typical action hero romancing hot chicks. कहीं दिखे उदय चोपड़ा flexing his muscles and riding speeding bikes. Well, लगता है when that image did not work, he tried the geeky way out. But just like Akshay, उदय के fans ने भी किया उनका उल्लू और भोला भाला look reject. तभी तो प्यार इम्पॉसिबल में हुआ प्यार with Priyanka Chopra possible, but making the film a hit was simply impossible. Nerd बनते वक्त शायद Uday's stylist was not imaginative. We saw a Bollywood geek with the same old घिसा पिटा चश्मिश look. Non-muscular body, chappu hair with the middle parting, ever shiny silver braces, and the bholapan in his behavior. Falling in love with a beauty from another galaxy altogether. Kal Ho Na Ho mein Preeti looked nerdishly, geekishly gorgeous. And it was this pretty woman जिसे देखकर सब लोगों ने किया copy. बाजार में मिलने लगे प्रीति जैसे चश्मे. Shahrukh had also written a poem about Naina's Nain. Wonder how he saw her eyes behind that thick frame? She made the chashma look really popular. This simple girl next door look hua itna hit. And later, by bagging the Best Actress award, she gave her career a considerable lift. Whatever it is, Preeti's look can be considered as an ideal new age nerd. Farhan Akhtar played one of the best geeks of Bollywood in Karthik Calling Karthik. Even though he suffered from schizophrenia, yet वो geeky, nerdy, stuttering and nervous Farhan Akhtar को देखकर नहीं हुआ लोगों को paranoia. हम यहाँ और क्या कहें except उफ तेरी अदा. What's happening to Bollywood and the way they've just brought nerds in fashion?
I think the shift you can see in Bollywood pehle hota tha that the hero was always like the super action guy. He could never do anything wrong. Macho man, Casanova, strong, always winning all the fights and everything. And now suddenly they realize that maybe they're bored and one person tried, trying to do the lallu act and it worked. So again, it's the same thing, just like Item Girls. हर हीरो यहाँ पे लल्लू बनने की कोशिश कर रहा है. कहीं शाहरुख खान तो कहीं अक्षय कुमार.
But if they're really trying to keep it real, why doesn't the common man thing work?
Supreet, I'll tell you why. Because जब लोग picture देखने जाते हैं in theaters, they're looking for entertainment. They're looking for things that are aspirational, जो उनकी जिंदगी में नहीं होती हैं. जो आम चीजें होती हैं, वो हमें picture में नहीं देखना होता है. So we want to see larger than life. We want to see something that's unreal, And अगर आप आम आदमी को आम जिंदगी और आम आदमी ही दिखाओगे तो वो पैसे खर्च के क्यों जाएगा? So it's not working. आम आदमी wants to see this dashing Casanova who can, jump from mountain tops. Look at Rajnikant. Why is he working at this age with his looks? People are calling him god of acting and blah, blah, blah. Obviously, that's what they want. आम आदमी को आम चीज बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद.
Well, अगर कोई एक बार ये look try करता है, call it experimental. But जब नहीं work करती, why do they want to stick to it?
I think the Bollywood heroes are very confused about what they want to do right now. It's like they're moving from one extreme to the other. You know, एक तरफ तो वो बिल्कुल लल्लूराम बन के बैठ जाएंगे किसी मूवी में, और दूसरी तरफ you'll see them flying like Superman with no wings. And I mean, Shah Rukh Khan is doing the same thing. He tried the lallu look with the Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, and now he's trying to, wear these super costumes and trying to be the superhero.
Suri to superhero.
Yes, well said. And that's what most of them have been trying to do. I mean, if you look at Hrithik Roshan, he did the same thing with Krish, and he was like this, bhola bala nerdy guy, and then suddenly, you have him playing the superhero. He's romancing Barbara in some movie, to kahin pe kuch aur kar rahe hain, and he's jumping off trains, and you saw what he did in Dhoom 2. I think wo bahut confused hain. They do not know what to do, and they're bored with the regular hero-giri that they do, and they're experimenting, and they'll get the verdict.
So the item girls are here to stay. We have established that. What about the lallus? Are they here to stay?
I think the item girls will keep dancing and shaking their bellies and everything, but no, the lallus have to make their way out. Sorry, they're not here to stay.
Chashmish, gotta go.